Sony TV that keeps restarting looks like a major failure, but the article says the cause is often fixable at home. The usual suspects are corrupted power state, a stuck firmware update, overheating, HDMI-CEC conflict, app cache, or a failing power board. Start with the no-cost power drain. Unplug the TV from the wall for a full 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV for 15 seconds. This clears the corrupted power state behind many random reboots. Next, finish the firmware update. On a stable menu, go to Settings, System, About, then System Software Update. If the TV restarts before you can reach the menu, the article recommends downloading Sony firmware to a USB drive and flashing it manually. Then check heat. Feel the back near the vents. If the cabinet is hot, the TV may be protecting itself by rebooting. Move it away from the wall, clear blocked vents, avoid direct sunlight, and let it cool for 30 minutes before testing. HDMI-CEC can also trigger a loop. Unplug every HDMI device and power on the TV by itself. If the loop stops, reconnect the soundbar, console, and cable box one at a time. Disable Bravia Sync if one device keeps triggering restarts. If the TV stays on long enough to reach Google TV, clear cache for the app you used right before the reboot started. A corrupted Netflix, YouTube, or launcher cache can crash the system. Safe mode helps prove whether an app is the cause. A factory reset is the last software step. It wipes apps, logins, and settings, so do it only after power, firmware, heat, HDMI, and cache checks. After reset, set the TV up fresh and let firmware finish before reinstalling apps. The timing tells you whether hardware is likely. Software loops usually reach the home screen or an app first. A hardware power board fault often cycles the TV every few seconds from a cold start. On older Sony sets, repair can cost enough that replacement makes more sense. The full SmartTVs guide has the Sony Restart Loop ladder, firmware recovery path, HDMI-CEC check, safe mode clues, and power board decision tree.